How to create a disposable virtual card on Revolut. In order to create a disposable virtual card on Revolut, you can follow these steps. What you want to do is, first thing first, log into your Revolut app onto your device. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to or tap the cards icon in the top right corner. And then you want to add a new card. That means select the plus add new plus button. After which you want to select the type, that means choose disposable options. And you want to confirm or just tap on get card for free. After which you want to provide in all the necessary detail that has been asked. Once you're done entering the following information, you might have to go through some of the procedure as well. Like you could just go ahead and read the instructions, terms and conditions, all that. And once completed, you will be able to submit the application, and that's how you're going to create a disposable virtual card on Revolut. In some cases, you might get the card instantly, the digital card, but in some cases it might take a while, for maybe a 12 hour to 24 hours. So you can just wait for it, and that's how you can create a disposable virtual card on Revolut. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.